This section covers accessing and understanding your Shutterstock earnings reports. To check your earnings, start by logging into the contributor dashboard at contributor.shutterstock.com. Once logged in, go to the Reports tab to access your earnings information. In the Reports tab, you'll find the earnings summary, which shows your total earnings, pending payouts, and past data. Next, the download reports provide detailed breakdowns by date, content type, and buyer location. The payout history shows a log of all payments, including amounts, dates, and payment methods. Remember, you must be a verified user to access full reports. Also, earnings appear 30 days after uploading content. Your earnings on Shutterstock depend on several key factors. First, content quality is crucial. High-quality, original work earns higher commissions. Second, effective SEO and keyword optimization help your content get discovered and downloaded more often. Third, staying aware of market trends ensures your uploads align with what's in demand. Looking to future trends, AI-generated content is growing rapidly, but original human-created work still commands higher commissions. Shutterstock's subscription model is increasing earnings from videos and music. Global economic factors like inflation can affect licensing fees, so monitor these closely. Exciting developments include blockchain-based tracking for royalties, enabling more transparent and potentially real-time payments. Additionally, AI automation for content tagging could boost earnings by optimizing your portfolio more efficiently. Stay proactive with your Shutterstock contributions by focusing on quality, optimization, and emerging technologies to maximize your earnings potential.